Hey guys, back with another video. Today I will be unboxing another inflatable that I ordered off of eBay. So let's go ahead and get to it. I don't want to show my address, so we'll just kind of angle you guys away from that. And once I can open the box. Oh, it's sideways. Just kind of did a good job taping it. They're generous. Okay. Alright, you guys can already kind of tell what it is by the fading lights and the Halloween font. Alright. I dropped you guys. Whoa, would you look at that? That box is in great condition. It's huge. Alright. So far, so good. This came all the way from Los Angeles, so I'm kind of worried it may be worn out. Original stakes. Nice. Here's 3. 3 out of 4. Better than none. Oh, those colors look great. Feels a little soft. It's getting soft. All right, so you guys know what it is. It's the pumpkins. Those colors are great. Oh. I gotta set up the fan. It even has the extra light bulb. 23-year-old light bulb. Bet you it still works. Alright, let's go ahead and let me set up the base fan. I'll let you guys just not watch me struggle. So there's not many videos on this one, so you guys be here for this. This is one of my all-time favorite designs. I don't know why, I've just always loved this particular gemmy design. So alright. Yeah, it has that musty smell to it, like they do when they come from hotter places. Oh, alright, so this area over here does feel pretty soft. They're crunchy, but the pumpkin does feel kind of soft. Okay. Wonder if the lights still do the fading. Yeah, they do. No way. They still fade. That is too cool. Yep, they're doing their fading. Oh, wow. There's the chain, as you can see. It is pretty big. Just about up here. His his pumpkin, absolutely huge. Okay, so far so good. I think we got ourselves a score. Hey, look at that. There he is. Oh my God, and it wants to explode. Oh my gosh. And the lights even fade. Wow, look at that. I scored. I paid 30 bucks for this thing, and the shipping was free. And yeah, wow, that is, oh, they're attached. You know, the position they're in and the way they're so happy looking kind of makes me wonder what they're so happy about. They're inflated super tightly. That's, oh, and the colors are great. Wow. I was so worried it was gonna get here and be worn out. So, there's the little box right there that controls the lights. And I think all the lights work too. Heck yeah. And it's only missing one state.